Sometimes things just need a little extra detail. I found these beautiful pieces on clearance at Family Dollar. I liked them the way they were, but I wanted to give it a little bit more of a color pop, so I decided to paint them gold. Once I finished painting them, I cleaned them up really good from the overspray of paint. I would recommend that you probably cover the entire bottom if you decide to do this. It'll save you some work. Then I decided to put on some bling. And man, I'm telling you, I love the way it turned out. Absolutely beautiful. So the next time you go into a store and you see a piece that you cannot live without, but it's not the color, nor does it have the detail that you would prefer, remember, your creativity can take that piece to the level that you desire. All right, till next time, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye now.